Let's start by creating a studio-quality video from scratch. Begin by clicking on Start Recording, then choose your preferred language. Once you've done that, hit Start and select the tab you'd like to share.
So today I will talk about this sample sales data, and we have 3 different people doing the sales for us.
Once I'm finished recording, I'll click on Stop Sharing and wait for the Trupeer magic. In just a few seconds, my AI draft will be ready. Once I click on Generate AI Content, my AI video will be prepared in a matter of seconds. Here we have our AI video ready to go. Let's take a look at how it turned out.
Here's how SumIf works. First, you select the range where you want to apply the function. Next, you specify the criteria, which, in this case, is that the entry should match Alice. Finally, you choose the range on which you want to calculate the sum. When I do this, I find that the total sales by Alice amount to 700,000.
Okay, the magic is here. To own this magic, we have our editing options here. Let's have a look. By clicking on Edit, I'll show you our functionalities. You get a script and transcript of the video automatically generated. Even if you make a mistake, there's no need to reshoot. Just edit the mistake. You also have the option to revamp the entire script with AI. We provide AI voiceover with various accents, voices, and conversational tones, along with the option to add background music. You can choose a custom background, add an intro slide, an outro slide, and zoom into specific parts of the video as needed. There's also an option to toggle an AI avatar to make your video more engaging. Additionally, you can annotate parts and use the blur feature for things that need to remain unseen. You can also adjust the aspect ratio, crop the video, trim it at any point, and turn on captions. And I haven't even mentioned the best part yet. While discussing this video, our Trupeer AI platform generated an end-to-end document complete with a suitable title, description, and a step-by-step guide that encompasses the entire video context. All editing options are available for both the video and the document, and we have a translation feature for both. At Trupeer AI, we believe language should never be a barrier, and that's what we stand for. Thanks for watching, and start creating for free today.